In this video, we will present basic attributes and methods of DataFrame, which we will use a lot in this course. Then we will discuss one of the most important skills for beginners, how to select some portion of data. To begin with, let's first take a look at what DataFrame looks like. We can print several rows at the top of DataFrame FB, which is historic data for Facebook. The method we used is head. It gives us the first 5 rows of the data frame. As you can see, Pandas DataFrame is a tabular structure of data. It has rows and columns. There is an index, which gives the dates for each row. There are columns of open, high, low, adjust close, and volume. Open and close are the opening price and the closing price. High and low are the highest price and the lowest price. Adjust close is a stock closing price on a given day of trading that has been amended to include any distribution and corporate actions occurred at any time before the next day's open. Every data type in Python has its own methods and attributes. As an example of attributes, we can check index like this. We also can get the first index and the last index so that we can extract information about the starting date and the final date of this data. We also can get columns by typing FB columns. Another important attribute of a data frame is the size. The size of data frame can be described by the number of rows and columns. We use shift to get a cell. In this course, number of rows stands for the number of observations, and the column number represents how many variables in the data. As methods, head and tail are often used to check whether data looks correct or to check contents of index and columns. With tail, you can get the last 5 rows. In fact, you can specify how many rows you want by putting number of rows inside the parentheses. There is another method called describe, which can give you some summary statistics for each column. For example, in this output, which is also the format of data frame, the first column lists number, mean, standard deviation, etc. for open price. Next, we will discuss selection of data from data frame. Sometimes you only need a subset of data. For example, select only close price of 2015. How to do that? There are 2 ways to slice a data frame: selection by label and selection by position. For example, if you want the close price on the first day of 2015, you can use the method iloc along with labels of index and column. The first entry is the index label. The second entry of label is a column name. Alternatively, you also can select by position using iloc. The first entry stands for row number. The second is a column number. The position starts with 0. You can select multiple rows. For example, we can get close price for the whole year of 2015. This selects close price from 2015, January 1st to 2015, December 31. We also can select multiple columns. The column sign in the second entry of iloc means all columns. Data frame has a built-in method of plot, which means you can plot data directly without importing matplotlib. There is a method called plot in Pandas DataFrame. You can easily visualize the close price with this method. You even can slice close price into different years and visualize them one by one. In this video, you have learned attributes, methods of DataFrame. Please get familiar with this part and do some practice in Jupyter Notebook. We will use these skills a lot in our formal analysis of financial data.